What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna put on the vinyl Fender inserts, I think they're called. But before we do that, we got to clean the car because the car is dirty as hell. Just the outside today. Yeah, we're gonna get all the salt off. We're gonna give it a rough clean, and then when we get home, we're gonna clay bar the part that we're gonna install the vinyl on. Okay, all right, let's get the cleaning started. Oh. So my brother and I, we did a rough wash on the car just to get all the rough dirt off and salt, because it snows out here in Boston. We use salt. So now, real quick, I'm just gonna spray that area down with some Adams detail spray. Shout out to my friend Matt who got this for my birthday. And some clay bar. We're gonna clay it down with the clay bar, and then I think it should be good to go for the vinyl. But yeah, it should be a simple and short video.
We get like deals just from like random people for like what?
What'd you say?
I don't know how like models get
Oh shit. Hi there. Alright, so I cleaned up both sides. They're clean. Here are the cutouts. Unlike the steering wheel cutouts, they don't give you two of each, only one. So if we fuck up, we fuck up. We fuck up. So I'm not gonna lie, I can't really tell which side goes on. It's okay. Okay.
Is it clean?
Yep. Okay. Okay, top done, bottom time. Red Perluna. Oh, it's the other side. Alright guys, we got it on. We're going to do the other side, but I'm not going to show you because I don't want to be repetitive, but I'll bring this out into the sun after and I'll show you an overview of how the whole thing looks together. Alright guys, so I got the other side on. Looks okay, I guess. I don't really know. Looks okay. Yeah, but we're going to take the car out real quick and
Let's go.
Okay, go. Yeah, let's take the car out and then we're gonna see what it looks like in the sun. Well, here's the whole car. I feel like it completes the car a little bit more, gives it a little bit more angles, I guess you could say. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Hope you guys enjoyed that quick video. It's just a little update, a little thing on the car. A little inexpensive mod, if you can even call it a mod. It just adds a little bit, I feel like it adds a little bit more angle to it. I still don't know how I feel about the carbon fiber, I feel like it adds a little bit more angle, a little bit more finesse to the car. Did I use that word right? How do you kids say it nowadays?
I don't know. English is stupid.
Okay, but yeah, let me know down in the comments what you guys want to see done to the car. I'm thinking my next mod is going to be rebuilding the headlights. But if you guys think I should do something else before I rebuild the headlights, let me know down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I'll catch you on the next one.